Connect Primary 4 Unit 1 Part 2 Students Book أحدث نسخة. Page 10. Exercise 6. Look at the pictures and complete the words. This is pronunciation, means how you say the words. 1. Bag, bag. 2. Cake, cake. 3. Mom, mom. 4. Nose, nose. 5. Mix, mix. 6. Rice, rice. Exercise 7. Listen and check, then say. Exercise 8. Read and change the verbs with re. The prefix re means again. So when you add re at the beginning of any verb, means you repeat it, you do it again. The seeds didn't grow. Ching wanted to replant them, means to plant them again. Number 1. Ramas painted his house again, means he repainted his house. So I removed again from the sentence because I add re before painted. Repainted. 2. Nada cleaned her bike again. So I will remove again and write she recleaned her bike. 3. The chef made rice again. The chef remade rice. 4. Shayma did her homework again. Correct. She redid her homework. Page 11. Connected to math, comparing large digits, means large numbers. Ascending order means from the smallest number to the biggest number. Basim wants to be healthy, so he walks 178,880 meters a day. Exercise 9. Look and say this is a digit, and this is how we say it. 544,000 and 432. This digit, we say it 178,880. Exercise 10. Put the correct sign, smaller than, bigger than, or equal. So, number 1, 655,000, smaller than 698,000. Number 2, 10 million in digits and 10 million written. They are both equal. Yes, so we'll write here equal. Okay. Number 3, 100 million or 99 million. 100 million is bigger than 99 million. Exercise 11. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. So we'll put the smallest first. Which one is smallest? Yes. All of them are 87,000. So we'll look to the next digit, which is 92, then 909, then 990. Exercise 2. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 10,000, then 20, then 233,000. And number 3, we have 20,000 and 19,000 and 20,310. So, correct 19,000 first, then 20,000 with zeros and 20,310. Find out that the numerical digits we use today, like 1, 2, and 3, are based on the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. This system was developed over 1,000 years ago. So can you find out the smallest 5-digit number? Try to find out what is the smallest 5-digit number. Page 12, lesson 4, food from Damyata. The land in Damyata governorate is rich in nutrients. The farmers can grow rice, tomatoes, potatoes, wheat, lemons, grapes, and guavas. Fishermen catch thousands of fish in the sea. Cows, goats, and sheep live in Damyata governorate too. Damyati cheese is very famous. About 1.5 million people live in this part of Egypt. Life is good in Dumyata. Exercise 1. Read and write true T or false F. 1. Dumyata has lots of food and animals. True. 2. The farmers grow a lot of fruit and vegetables. True. 3. The land in Dumyata is not good for crops. False. 4. There aren't many lemons and grapes in Dumyata. False. 5. Less than 2 million people live in Dumyata. Correct. True, because about 1.5 million people live in Dumyata, which is less than 2 million people. Exercise 2. Read the text and join sentence halves 1, 2, 3, 4 with A, B, C, and D. 1. Dumyata is famous. C. For Dumyati cheese. 2. The animals you see. D. In Dumyata are goats, cows, and sheep. 3. The farmers grow. B. Tomatoes, potatoes, wheat, lemons, and guavas. 4. About 1.5 million or 1.5 million Egyptians. A. Live in Dumyata Governorate. Page 13 is like collecting information for making your own presentation, and it's a group worksheet. So exercise 3, you should work in groups and choose another governorate, for example, Alexandria or Cairo, and then write down everything you know about the place. Then number 2, think about information you need, like where is it? What do farmers produce there? What is it famous for? Who lives there? And exercise 3, write about 12 to 18 words, you and your friends together, of course. So this is a group work. Exercise 4, do some research and write what you learned. What you already know is in the K area. Farmers in Minya grow sugarcane. This information you already know. But what I want to know, you will write it here. What you already want to or need to know. This is W. And L, what I learned, maybe from your friends or your teacher. So you and your friends write down already what you learned and some research you did. Exercise 5, decide how you will present your information, how you will show it to your friends. Is it in a poster, example, or PowerPoint, etc., or anything else? So you will write your text about the information you collected about this city, and then draw or glue your picture. Exercise 6, work with a partner and show your work. Ask for their opinion. This is how you make your own presentation, and think about how you will show it to your classroom or to your friends. Exercise 7, think about what governorate is famous for planting rice. You can search about this in the internet. Lesson 5, page 14, it's the presentation. Exercise 1, practice your presentation with your group. Speak loudly so everyone can hear you. In page 13, we learned how to collect information to start my presentation. Now you show your poster or PowerPoint presentation after you collect your information and what you learned and what you want to know and what you already have information about, and you write this all together and then start to show it to your friends, like as you see here in the picture. He has a poster or whatever in his hands, and he show his presentation to the class. Of course, you know what you are talking about. And try to be brave and try to focus on the main idea you are talking about. Exercise 3, listen and write. Share your ideas. What was interesting? In the classroom should be in 4 groups, and each one will write what he thinks is interesting in your presentation. Like, for example, if you're talking about a city, the first group will talk about the weather. The second group will talk about, for example, the famous places or the sea and the food and the places and so on. and what did you learn, and did everyone in the group speak or not. So this is how you make your presentation, and you take information about how other people like your presentation or not. Page 15, self-assessment, means you are testing yourself. Exercise 4, complete the letters to make food words. 1. Watermelon. 2. Bananas. 3. Potatoes. 4. Rice. 5. Mangoes. 6. Milk. 7. Grapes. 8. Onions. 9. Sugar cane. And 10. Chicken. Exercise 5. Circle the correct word in each sentence. 1. Fatin loves ice cream, chocolate, and chocolate. 2. My brother is Egyptian, his wife is French. But, because two contrast sentences. 3. Walid speaks English, he can't speak Chinese, but he can speak Chinese. Now contrast again, English and Chinese. Number 4, we wash the potatoes, cut them into pieces, and cut them into pieces. Now exercise 6, think about unit 1. This is according to you. Write 2 things you enjoyed and 2 things you learned. Thank you for listening and watching this video. متنسوش تتابعوا بقية فيديوهات كونكت في كتاب الكونكت وفي كونكت بلس. متنسوش تعملوا لنا لايك وسبسكرايب لأول مرة تشوفوا القناة، اللي عايز معلومات زيادة في فيسبوك والانستجرام هتلاقوا اللينكس تحت الفيديوز. Thank you for listening and see you soon. Bye.